Welcome back with another video, guys. Today we're gonna be checking the engine. It's making a loud noise. Hoping it's not the tranny or the engine, but I'm pretty sure it has to do with something with the AC motor. We're gonna check it out. Just want to give you guys a little look of the Mustang. It's a 1997 Mustang GT. It's a V8 4.6. Let me show you guys. So we're gonna turn on the car right now so you guys could hear the noise that it's making. And this vehicle, I purchased it because it was a good price. I got it for $800. Have invested on a couple of things. We had to put in the AC Freon on, but it has a hose. So as I mentioned, this car will need a lot of replacements. I replaced this tire because the other one was too dried up, so I had an opening right here, so it was letting the air out. These are 245s by 45s R17s. These are two, but these are a different brand. As you can see, like, they're already going out. As you can see, like, this tire is worse. Yeah, well, how I mentioned, it was pretty cheap, $800. I couldn't resist to it. Stay tuned for the next video. I will make another video where I actually replace wheels, tires. I'm gonna do an oil change on it. We're gonna take it to my friend's shop, get the windows tinted. I already took off the driver's side, passenger side. I took the back tint. The only thing that I need is I gotta take off the rear tint, get it ceramic tint. Okay, so this carbon fiber, fiberglass. I'm not too sure the name of this, but whoever used to own this Mustang spray can it gold, and that looks really ugly. The thing is that I can replace it right now because this hood it's not the original from the GT. This hood is the Cobra hood, so it's really difficult to find the Cobra hood because there's not too much part out. You guys gonna see too. We're gonna do the whole conversion of the Cobra on the GT. Right now we're gonna today's the 14. We're gonna order the bumper, the Cobra bumper. If you guys are interested on it and you guys want to buy it for your Mustang, it's $600 plus color match with the vehicle. So you'll be paying like $700, $800 for a Cobra bumper, paying it color match with your vehicle. So that's it for today's, guys. Stay tuned. I'm still learning how to like hold this camera. I'm new to this. You guys gonna have a lot of YouTube videos coming soon. Day by day, I'm sure I'll get better. But hope you guys like this video. See you guys soon.